What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of That Iowa Guy and Matthias. Woo! Today, we are high as fuck in the Aspens. In the San Juans.
In the San Juans. But not actually.
Hey, YouTubes. It's Brett, aka That Iowa Guy. Hey, Matthias.
How's it going?
Brandon's back there in the GX. We're rocking doors off today. Oh, look at that view. Woo! Rocking doors off today. Doing no top. Got the tent up there still. And
We're gonna give you a view of up top.
oh yeah, get up there. Go ahead. Just get in there.
Got some dope views. Got the doors off today. Yeah, we're just hanging.
Woo! This gravel road with a view is pretty nice, huh, Steve? You know who you are. We're gonna go rent a down there later, and then after that, we plan on going to maybe possibly back up here to find ourselves another campsite for the night. So we'll see what happens, but keep you posted at the same time. There's a spark in you. You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just on the night, like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show why you work. Make 'em go oh, oh, oh. As you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework.
Goes that way. Technically, I mean, you can see what's up there.
We're gonna go check her out, see what's up there. Heck yeah. Check that view out. We're gonna be boating down there later today. Jeep's a little warm. Hey, how's the boring vehicle going?
So boring. It's so clean with my AC on.
We're just having a grand old time with the doors
the
off.
peak?
No, I don't think so. Is it? This isn't the peak, right, Matthias? I can't tell if it peaks any farther. I don't know. I was just gonna get out and look at it before I go down it. Oh yeah, that's easy. All day. All day. Man, this is what we live for now.
We should almost just camp here. There's gonna be less mosquitoes. The wind's gonna be so good.
Yeah, let me just put out my rooftop tent in the windiest part of the whole fucking state right now.
Just gotta flip it around.
Freaking state. Freaking check out over the hill here. Looks like somebody brought a bench. Oh, there is a campsite over here. It's kind of guarded by the wind a little bit. Oh, this would be great. That is a huge fire pit, Jesus. We have a propane fire pit to use so we don't burn down the forest. But that's crazy. It's literally like significantly less wind over here.
it shows like clouds of where like you should have.
An old Jeep Wrangler. As long as the road doesn't.
Yeah, I'm gonna grab a snowball.
I'm gonna throw the Brandon. Don't die. How was that? It was great.
It was awesome.
It's the best snowball you ever had.
He probably hates me now.
He's like, you bitch, you threw it at the GX. I'd say it looks like there may or may not have been an avalanche right here with all these downed trees. That one's like bent. That would have been nuts. Does an avalanche really happen if you're not there? Got some snow on the mountain over there. I don't know how far up or where we're even at anymore. We're past the point of no return, right?
Right.
You're such an insult. Look at that. Stop it! Had to flex out the Jeep as much as possible. Hey, stand next to it so they can see how tall it is. How tall are you?
5'6".
Are you really?
Yeah.
No, you're not. You're like 5'8". Alright, well, it's almost as tall as you.
Can mine flex on that?
No, you're not allowed. You're not.
That's a Jeep Rock?
No, yeah, it's Jeep Rock only. Sorry.
Jeep Rock. Only for Jeep stands.
No, no Lexuses, please. I gotta get a picture. Oh, look at all the flexes. You're so stuffed. Look at how low to the ground your rear bumper is, though.
That's pretty good flex, though.
Does it look good on that side?
Look how much the Katy SS like valve thing is like all like extended.
You just love saying that word.
Katy SS. Katy SS. I should pump up the air pressure in the front tire so it looks so it's more flexy.
Lame. This is the point where we're gonna turn around here on the trail. We're gonna get back down, get aired back up. Brandon's gonna run into town quick, and then Matthias and I are gonna go run over to the boat rental so we make sure we don't miss it, and yeah, go boating the rest of the day. And supposedly some people may or may not show up tonight. We'll see. People always say they'll come and then they change their mind last minute, so who knows. But for now, I give you Brandon taking pictures of his GX in the wild. GX. You hear that, Mr. GX? What was that?
So if you got a Toyota, or especially a GX, you got to be posting on the social medias all the time.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that.
You got to let your followers know. Because all we do is stay home and look at other people's photos.
What it's actually about is that XJ gang. Jeep Cherokee owners rule.
Down at the bottom of the mountain?
Hell no. It really chills on the top of the mountain.
It's down at the bottom of the mountain. I don't see an XJ out here. Oh, blocked! I was going for the 5 and blocked you, son. What are you doing? Why are you in nature?
Hey, no paparazzi, okay?
Oh,
So we're out here in the water here, just getting like a pre-test run.
I'm not very far.
Brett is not having it.
It's we're out here at Green Mountain Res though. It is super windy right now, so I have a strong feeling we will not be able to put our shade on the pontoon up here in a little bit. I'm diving in. Oh, my knees. I know you know my knees. You can see though which leg was hanging out the Jeep because all the freaking dirt on it. But Brandon's running to go get us some supplies.
Shout out to Brandon.
Thanks, Brandon. At GX Rome on Insta. I did that for him. You're welcome. That's all I got. Go for it.
Here,
Oh, and your hat.
we're not losing that this time.
Yeah, you might. You almost lost it to the wind.
Alright, that's because you gotta throw me into the wind to watch it end up right by. Okay.
Yeah, it wasn't even close.
Alright.
Go ahead, Chieftain.
3, 2. Actually, it's like climactic.
All right, now we're here.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to this special edition of NoCo Overland.
NoCo Overland gets a boat now. And now we're button.
Hardcore button.
Just gonna bring this out of the sun. Oh.
Now we just pontoon.
Now we just float, drink, and have a merry old day on a pontoon.
Alright, it's beer. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another new episode of NoCo Overland. Here we're out on the pontoon boat, beautiful Green Mountain Reservoir. We're going to take you over to our lifetime cooler and show you what we're doing today.
We got Natter Days and Bud Lattes.
You know, what can I say? Just another American classic. Turn around, Brett. Show them the shirt you got. Show them the shirt you're rocking.
I can't find this. I was just kidding. America all day, every day. Now we're gonna get fried all day, hanging out.
Full tilt right now. This is it.
This is it. This is warp speed, baby. All right, so got our spot. I'm just chilling out here in the mountains on the res. Woo! And this is what you get when you bring some overlanders on a boat. Bring 2 coolers, bring Brandon's little slide deal, burgers, cutting board, a whole nother, I don't even know what's in that basket over there.
Camera gear.
Camera gear. We're boverlanding.
Overland.
We're over the. All right, I just hopped in the water as we were having like 20-mile-an-hour gusts, and the boat like came to me pretty quickly. And it's freaking cold. I'm still cold. I was like 4 minutes ago now. We got one hour left on the boat. What do you think?
It seems our day has come to an end. It's been a hell of a day.
Brandon, how is the water, bud?
Very cold.
Very, very cold. If you too want to come join us on overlanding and boat adventures, we just camp, it's not really overlanding. But every weekend, hit us up, NoCo Overland, Colorado. All right, one last dip for the boys.
See you later.
Uh-oh, shit, you guys kicked the boat far away. Swim, swim.
Brandon, come on.
Hey, let's put it in reverse, Terry.
Oh my God.
All right, I gotta help these boys up. How cold is it out here compared to up there?
Yes, get your ass in.
That was fun.
What if I thought we wouldn't use it? Oh, we should have had a ladder.
Yeah, who's fucking who the F? Excuse me.
Who the Frank?
Who the Frank Wilson is? All right, I'll let you boys be cold.
That was the hardest part of the whole thing.
All right, your turn, Brett.
I don't know if I can.
Get in, Brett. Get in.
I don't know. Last
Come on,
time.
let's go. Get in, Brett.
Bring it
Woo!
back.
Do you guys want to see Brett jump in? Comment below. Psych, we're not even gonna wait for that. Last time
It's fucking cold.
in the Resi. Look at this. We're up in the beautiful high country,
Why is it so cold?
Summit County. Brett's going in one more
I
time.
just want to let you guys know. Love these two. This video is sponsored by NoCo Overland. Peace out.
Woo!
It is so much colder out here. Holy fuck.
Oh, I can't grab that. Oh God.
Can you help?
No, don't touch me.
Don't touch me.
Can we grab your under? The current started taking my legs a little bit.
It was that pike, man. He's trying to get you.
Well, we get back to my Jeep, and the tire is flat as flat. Hopefully, I didn't puncture it too bad, but I got a spare, so we're gonna see if she'll hold some air. It looks like it's holding some air already. Might have like a small, tiny puncture somewhere. I just gotta roll it around and check her out. So that's fun. Woo! Alrighty, quick update. Luckily. Sorry, I know the sun's right there, it's hard to see. Luckily, after I put in some air in there, just a valve stem that wasn't fully tightened on when we were airing down. Took a while for that thing to deflate. There's a lot of 35s hold a lot of air, so gonna put the air compressor back away and go meet up with Julian. Hopefully we can find him and go find ourselves a campsite for the night. So we made it to camp just in time. The sun is cresting. So, set up right in the middle of the drive because it's the most level spot. Brandon's getting the shots. We got Julian over there setting up the ground tent. What's up, Julian? Matty Ice got his Eskimo up, ready to roll. And Daddy Brandon's, you know, already ready, so we don't care. But yeah, done. KO'd. Well, this little boy just showed up at our camp and gave him some food and water. What do you guys think? Should we hang on to him and post it up?
I don't know. Are you sleeping with him?
I don't care. He's freaking nice as shit. Alright, so there's a campground right down the road there. I'm going to attempt to walk down there. Come on! Psst. See if I can't find this little dude's owner. And the freaking mosquitoes are killing it. I grabbed my headlamp so I could walk back up. Brandon will probably start driving down here soon. Oh, no, he's walking or running. But yeah, gonna go try and find this big boy's owner. If not, he's gonna come back to Loveland with me. And I'm gonna try and track down his owner, so hopefully we can find him. Well, this was like 2 seconds after I just talked about finding his owner. And we got him. Aaron here.
I'm the one that let him out of the truck without his leash.
Yeah, he's super friendly
I'm
though.
so used to this guy.
Oh yeah, my other dog, one dog's good, one dog's bad.
Range everywhere and like they're usually fine, but no Brett's walking.
Yeah. We got him out.
We got him out.
The guy came running up the hill here looking for him, and people down there saw him and directed him up here towards us, so that was easy.
It worked out.
Didn't have to take the poor guy all the way to, at least he would have been in the area though. He's from Denver, so.
Yep.
Whew, that was fun. Alright, so I'm tucking in for the night. Everybody else is already asleep, so I'm trying to talk a little quiet. But one of the probably coolest features of this tent, one, the LED light bar. Just plug a little battery bank into it. top and bottom, right underneath the stairs are lit up. 2 is, you can't really see, but when the light's off, I'll try and turn it off. Let's see. Don't mind the mess of wires right now. Gotta figure that out. This has a dimmer switch for the LED. Crank it all the way off. And then up directly where you can't see it all. You can't see anything with this phone is the skylight, which is pretty cool right now. It's gonna be a cool thing to go to bed to. So I'm gonna hit the hay, ladies and gents. Enjoy your night. See you in the morning. Morning. Just airing up, getting all packed up to get out of here. It's freaking 60 degrees and it feels like 80 already. Good night. I slept pretty well. Stargazing was pretty cool. But the mosquitoes have woke up and I'm ready to get the F out of here. So it's gonna be, sorry, that's gonna be the end of this one. I'm just watching the mosquitoes, make sure they don't come by my face. So, till the next time, see ya.